So, hi everyone, this is NLDeploy. Now, the idea behind this project is to control and operate backend service using natural language, but in a safe and controlled way. In a real world setup, these would be actual servers or virtual machines. Since I'm working locally, I'm using Docker to simulate them. You can think of each one as an isolated Linux service instance running on the same backend application. Now, on top of this, I have built a layer that understands natural language requests and converts them into structured deployment intents using Ansible templates and checks whether the action is safe and then executes it in a controlled manner using automation instead of ad hoc commands. So first, whenever I stop a node on the backend, you can see that it reflects on the front end as well. So it's connected. And I started back up. You can see that as reflected on the front end as well. Let's try to put any command from here. Top no to we generate a plan for it. Now it generates a spec for it. So these are all generated dynamically. These are the commands for it. And all of this is executed using Ansible templates, which I have created. So these are the some of the Ansible templates which are there for popular commands like stop, scale, rollback, restart, and deploy. So in this case, we are using the stop Ansible template, and all of these commands are put in dynamically. They are passed using LLMs, using the natural language, and all of the information is extracted properly and put into our templates. And now, if we go ahead and execute the command, you can see that it has been completed and Alvec2 has been stopped on the backend as well. So let's go ahead and restart it. Generate a plan for it and execute it. So let's back up. Now let's try a more complex command. What if we want to deploy all nodes to a different version, v4, and so in a real world scenario, we usually do these kind of deployments in a rolling manner. So when we generate a plan for it, it automatically understands that we need a rolling strategy for it. And when we go give it a go ahead and deploy it, you can see that all of the nodes stop, restart one by one on the new version. So all of them are on v4 now. We can also verify it through the logs. And we can also verify it in the actual spec of the containers. So for v4, we can see that it has been reflected here. So what if we try to put in a dangerous command like stop all nodes? Now, if these nodes are connected, like all of them are in a cluster, and we try to stop all of them at once, it would definitely cause a partition. So let's try to generate a plan for it. So the system automatically understands that this is a risky command. It tells us that it can cause full service downtime. Now we go ahead only if we want to do this. We check the box and execute the command. Now you can see that all the nodes have been stopped. So this is an deploy. Thank you.